All right, so imagine you have this photo and you remove the background, did all the editing, but because it's such a close-up shot, you remove the whiskers of it while removing the background. So this video, I'm gonna show you how to create realistic whiskers, and it's really easy to do. All right, so I created this edit and I removed the background and added all the rest. But while removing the background, these whiskers are gone. So how do I get those back? Well, let's make a new folder. Let's name this Whiskers. Then grab the pen tool. Take the first one, pen tool. Now you want to go to your settings and let's leave these at 2. The fill should be empty, so no color, and let's take a white one for this one. Alright, so with the pen tool, create a new layer. Put it in the whiskers map. First, click on the point where it starts, then just click the other point, and while holding down the mouse, just make a little curve. Then create a new layer and do the same for the next one. New layer again, and maybe another one like that. Then let's see the bottom part, a couple more, and on the new layer just do the same. Make a new layer and just draw it like that. Maybe also some here. And when you have it like this, so it's a little bit not on the right place, so I'll just move it around and place it where it needs to be. And maybe these whiskers up here need to be a little bit darker also, so let's put them in a map. Double click on it, select color overlay, and just pick a color that fits best. Maybe a little bit grayish like that. Then select the map of the whiskers and make a mask. Go to the brushes, select the general brush, bring down the hardness. You can leave these 100, bring the flow a little bit down and make it bigger, and just soften the edges so to look more realistic. And you can do the same on this side, so this is nice realistic whisker. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one.